How to activate Go2Bank card. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you on activating your Go2Bank card easily. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of your web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and then go ahead and type in activate Go2Bank card in the search bar and hit enter on your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites from where you simply go ahead and click on the Go2Bank help getting started activating your card. Once you click on it, you will be taken to this kind of page from where you need to locate the activate your card option in the top right corner of the screen, which is just beside the open an account option. And once you click on it, this will directly take you to the login portal, from where you need to first enter the 16-digit card number in the first field, followed by the expiration date of your card, then security code, and also check this box with the verification and click on the continue button that is highlighted in blue color in order to successfully activate your Go2Bank card. You can also activate your debit card at gotobank.com/start and by calling in their number 85544900703, and if you activate by phone, then you will need to accept the terms and conditions to complete your registration. And once you've activated your card, add money to your account and start using it today. So this was all about it. By following the simple steps, you have effectively completed the activation process for your Go2Bank card. We appreciate you for sticking around until the end of the video, and if you found this guide helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this in the future. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video update.